Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking something really simple. Only I think we've got about 5-6 ingredients. Garlic rice. It's very tasty, quite popular for them garlic lovers. We have people that order garlic chili chicken, garlic rice, garlic naan, we do garlic chips. So yeah, if you're a garlic lover, this is good for you. Really simple, quite easy. I think 3 steps is all it is. So it's very quick, very simple. So guys, please don't forget to like. It helps the algorithm of my videos. Subscribe, comment, ask me any questions. People have been asking me a lot of questions. Had a comment the other day, a guy's working in an Indian restaurant, and he said my videos have really helped him. You know, I'm doing everything A to Z. That's why it's taken me a while of an Indian restaurant. A lot of our trainee chefs here, they use the videos. So if I can help anyone, please let me know. So let's get cooking. So there's only a very few ingredients. It's quick, it's simple to do. You just need rice. I've got pilau rice. Pilau rice tastes a little bit more flavour, but you can use boiled rice. It's easier to cook boiled rice. Just chopped up garlic clove. I'd say there's about 1.5 garlic clove, just chopped up into small bits. Peppers and onions, which we use in most rice, some sides. I call it biryani onions. There is a video on how to cut these. Oil, you're not going to need this much oil, probably about a teaspoon, and then a portion of rice. And then you've got our desi style spice and a pinch of salt, and that's all you need. So we've got a wok, so you know, a non-stick pan, a couple of teaspoons of oil. I think 3 will probably do it, 3 or 4. So you got a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Unlike most rices, we'd put the onions and peppers in first, but with the garlic, we want the garlic to cook a bit. So we'll just put the garlic, chopped garlic up first. And you've got to be very careful because the garlic, once it cooks very quickly. So you just want it to get a little bit goldeny. Within seconds it will just burn. It'll go from non-cooked to like it'll burn. So you just got to be very quick on it. So can you see some of it is starting to go a little bit goldeny? Try and mix that right. So it's gone a bit goldeny now. So straight away now, lower your gas. Get your onions and peppers in straight away, and then just mix it. You see it's on very, very low gas, and then we're just going to add a pinch of salt. That will help caramelise the onions a bit faster. Then you've got about a teaspoon of our desi style spice, which is our mixed powder. We do our own, which you can get from our website, which is currybyhair.com. Or as a substitute, if you can't get in, you want to do it quick, you could just use curry powder. Now I can see the pan is starting to dry up a little bit. So I'm just going to add a bit more oil. Use oil in accordance. If you see it's drying up, and it's starting to burn, put a dash more oil in there, and that'll just help kind of not for the garlic and that not to stick in the spices. So if you're continuously moving the pan, you can put the heat up. So I'll put the heat up so the onions cook faster. I'm continuously moving it. You can't leave the heat up in one place anymore. Don't forget to scrape the bottom like that. Otherwise, this is the bit where the flame has direct contact with and it will stick. So yeah, it's just going to knock it down to very low gas. Onions are caramelised. The garlic we know is cooked. So it's just add the rice, mix it, and and voila, that's it. So we've got hot rice here, putting it all in. And then I'm just adding a bit of coriander, just to make it look a little bit better. And then you're pretty much done. You know, garlic is cooked very fast. It's not like you've got a chicken in there or any types of meat which take a bit longer. So it's very quick, very simple, but quite tasty, quite different. You know, you can add this to any curries, and it just gives it a bit more of a nice flavour with the rice. And then it's just ready to come down now. See, it didn't take me long at all. Once you've got the rice, probably the lengthy part to cook, after that it's just very, very easy. And then just a sprinkle of coriander. So there you have it, a very, very quick, very simple garlic rice.